Hello everybody, it's Friday night. We thought we'd do something special, though it's like any other night these days, isn't it? But nonetheless, we thought we'd make an Eton Mess, and we're going to make one from the book. We're not going to make the meringue because there's no eggs, but I found the next best thing, which was actually meringue, so we can actually skip a stage and go straight to the good bit. Strawberries are starting to creep in, so the British strawberries, so it's nearly the time of the season, so these are all British. And yeah, it's going to be a lovely, lovely thing to do. So we've got 400 millilitres of double cream, 75 grams of caster sugar. We couldn't get vanilla pods, so we've got vanilla bean paste. We've got a pack of meringues, there's 6 in there, which is 150 grams. And then we've got 300 grams of strawberries. I'm going to use the zest of a lemon as well. Right, I'm going to poach some of these strawberries, so I'm going to head some of them and then just cut them in half. So I'm going to do most of these, not all of them. So I want some just to go on top as they are, nice and fresh. So about 200 grams of them I'm going to poach. And then I'm going to add the sugar, 75 grams, into there. I'm also going to add just a little bit of lemon zest, just by using a knife. You can use a peeler. And then some of this vanilla bean paste, which is marvellous because vanilla beans are incredibly expensive. And just a teaspoon of that into the mix as well. I'm going to use some in the creams as well. So now I'm going to cling film that wherever I put it. Just like that. And then I'm going to put this on top of a bain-marie. So water I've got on there for about 10 minutes. Alright, so the strawberries have been poaching for about 5 to 10 minutes. The smell that comes out of these when you open it up is just absolutely incredible. When you just burst through, you get everything, and that is just you can see why you just keep all the flavour in that bowl and poach it, because it's all in there. Cool. I'm going to let these cool down now, and then get on with whipping the cream. 400 millilitres of double cream, whipping cream, or heavy cream, as you like, into the bowl. And then we're going to put another teaspoon of the vanilla bean paste, just because it's the bomb. Then we're going to get whisking. You want it soft peaks, and then we're going to separate some out. Now you can use an electric whisker, which is quicker. You want to try and get as much air into it as possible. So really try and lift the whisk in and out. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, it's starting to get to where I want it, which is soft to hard peak, like a creme chantilly. It's nearly there, so you can kind of peak it. So that's just about starting to hold its own. So I'm going to put a little bit, into a piping bag with a nozzle into the end. Not too much. A good spoonful, about 100 grams, and that is going to be in my decorations. And then down and twist. So you'll notice there's no sugar in this. That is because we're going to add so much. The strawberries are looking lovely now. They've gone all syrupy now, they've cooled down a bit, and they're not overcooked, so they've still got a little bit of bite. Now we're going to add most of these meringues. We're going to crush them in. And again, we're not going to use all of them because we want some to garnish the dish. Well, we're ready to start building our tower of Eton Mess. So, plate down there. Fish out most of these poached strawberries because that's going to be the base of it. Really, we want to use the fresh ones on the outside and the poached ones into it. And make sure we don't put too much of the syrup through the meringue mix. Otherwise it will go a bit too watery. We want it to be stiff. We want to build quite a little mountain of it. So it started to come together into quite a rocky but also stiff mixture. And that is what we want. So we're going to put that onto the plate and start building quite a stiff mountain. Right, we've got our mountain, and we're going to decorate that mountain with some whole strawberries. So the ones we saved earlier, just cut in half. Leave the stalks back on. People can sort them out themselves, can't they? I usually just eat them anyway. Cool. So once you're happy with the amount of strawberries you've got, I'm going to pipe some of the cream that I put into the piping bag. You don't have to do this, but it really makes it very special. Some of the juice which is left from the strawberry mix poured over the top, just like that. Meringue crumbled over the top. You could stop there, but let's just keep going, shall we? Some mint from the garden, obviously. Then maybe some chocolate. And then maybe some chocolate. There. There you go, guys. Eton Mess on a Friday night to raise everyone's spirits. Enjoy.